Combinators genuinely let you select real elements based on their actual relationship to another element. In this video you'll use Descendant, Child, and Sibling combinators. A real space genuinely is the Descendant combinator. This targets every real p tag inside dot box at any actual nesting depth. Greater than genuinely is the Child combinator. This targets only real direct p tag children, not the actual nested one inside span. Plus genuinely is the Adjacent Sibling combinator. This targets the real element immediately following dot box if it actually matches dot after. A real space combinator genuinely selects any depth descendants. Greater than genuinely selects only direct children. Plus genuinely selects the immediately following sibling. Use the child combinator to style only directly tag children of our tag. Ready to style real elements based on their state with pseudoclasses?